Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about the difference between have to and must. Have to and must can be very confusing because in some ways they are completely the same, but in other ways they are very different. Keep watching to find out how to use these two modal verbs correctly. We use must and have to talk about obligation. If you have to do something or you must do something, it means it is necessary to do it. You have an obligation to do it. For example, in England, all children have to go to school. To get your certificate, you must pass the test. Must and have to can both be used to express an opinion about what you should do, rather than a real strong obligation. Check out these examples. I haven't seen my mum recently. I must go and visit her. It's my opinion that it would be a good idea to go and visit her. I need new glasses. I have to go to the optician. When we are just stating a fact and not giving an opinion, it's more common to use have to, not must. I have to work Monday to Friday. I must work Monday to Friday is not so natural here. You can also use have got to instead of have to, and this is a bit more informal. For example, I've got to go shopping later, or I've got to book my holiday today. Must is used when rules or instructions are written down, when they are formal. For example, to apply for this job, you must be 18 years old. Not you have to be 18 years old. Now here is where you really have to pay attention. Must and have to are the same in positives, but they are not the same in negative sentences. The negative of must is must not or mustn't. The negative of have to is don't have to, but they are not the same. When you use mustn't or must not, it means it is necessary that you don't do it. For example, you mustn't smoke in public buildings. This means you cannot do it. It is forbidden. You will get in a lot of trouble if you do it. Don't smoke in public buildings. Or, I mustn't be late for my job interview. It's very important that I'm on time and I make a good impression. Don't have to, on the other hand, means that you don't need to do something, but you can if you want to. For example, you don't have to go to university. You can if you want to, but it is not necessary. You have the choice. Or, I don't have to be at work until 10 a.m. tomorrow. It means I can go earlier if I want to, but it's not necessary. I don't have to. So be very careful when it comes to the difference between must and have to. In positives, they're more or less the same, but in negatives, they are very different. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and click the link in the description. You can go to the lesson page for this video, do a little quiz to help you practice, and check out the website for everything else we offer. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.